Hello. Hi guys. I'm on the special place which used to be an old temple, and this is Willow. He's a kahuna, one of the Hawaiian elders, and I'm so happy that I'm here with him. Can you tell about this project and what it is about here?
So, first of all, aloha everybody. I want to welcome you to Honolulu, in Maui. This is a beautification and restoration project for Honua Ula Heiau, which is a healing heiau, a temple, nestled right on the Mauka side of Honolulu Bay. This is actually part of a very complex heiau or temple complex that goes all the way across the highway and down toward the temple. So today we are very privileged and blessed to be cleaning up this area, and we are actually, this is the entrance to Honua Ula Heiau, and that over there is the courtyard. The ideal plan is to turn Honua Ula into a cultural preservation and heritage site where people can come to learn about some of the healing practices of old Hawaii, learn the language, learn about some of the stories that make Maui kind of a unique place. And so I want to invite you guys to come on into the temple.
Yeah.
So as you come toward the threshold, you get to, over here typically a lot of the kahunas of old used to offer a chant to ask for permission to enter to the house, because
would you do one for us?
Sure. You might hear a typical chant for a place like this. Might be something like O na na no na kune hi mo nai ke aina e ka le molele no ka honua ula e kumo e puliki mai no e mako i ko ha i ko haloha aku i ke akma na ke aloha no mako no e kumo e maki no mako e hana no ia e hana puno i ke ale aloha e hie aloha hie. And once permission is granted, you may enter the temple and go about your business. So, mahalo. Aloha everybody. Hope you come to Maui and come and help us with Honua Ula. Aloha.
Aloha. Thank you so much. So this is his son. It's like a big project, like everyone is helping. Yeah, amazing people are here. And this is the future of the Golden Rainbow Children, all the star seeds here. This amazing man, he's like looking after this place. He's like the guardian. Yeah, I mean, can you see the energy? This is like tamarind. I just ate a couple of them. And I really want you guys to feel the energy of this place. It's so holy, it's so special. Yeah. Okay, aloha, greetings from Maui. And this is me helping. I love you guys. Remember who you are always, and you walk the path of love. Love is God, God is love, and love is the most powerful energy on this planet. Remember who you are. You are loved. Bye.